So adjacent to data is AI, and I'm curious to get a comment on this. Just even in like the press release last week, it talked about, Jay, like you're pushing NIH into like the 21st century, and you're asking the institutes to really embrace breakthrough technology and AI. What do you envision the use of AI going to be? What's that going to change? We kind of talked earlier about fundamentally reconstructing the entire grant-making apparatus, but I would love for you to explain a little bit more on that.
I'm actually really quite enthusiastic about this. And actually, what I found across the NIH is that researchers across the NIH are also enthusiastic about this. It's not just ChatGPT and LLMs. It's not just that. In every stage of the research process, AI is in the business of like fundamentally transforming how we work. The problem was like you have this massive code of the human genome, and we don't know what most of it does. What I've seen is that the AI investments we're making can potentially help annotate parts of the human genome in ways that were unimaginable before, speed up the process of that kind of annotation so that we have a deeper understanding of the genetic causes of disease and how the genetic causes of disease interact with environmental exposure. This whole field of exposomics relies in part on AI. Whether the environmental exposures that we all commonly face, which may be the cause of so many of our diseases and conditions, interact with our genetic disposition, right? So some people respond to the same environment, and they have a very different response to, some people get sick and some people are just fine, right? This whole field of exposomics relies on AI fundamentally. You just look at the scientific literature, see how it's being transformed by AI, how it's speeding up discovery, and also allowing us to check the discoveries to see if they're true. And I'm a big believer.